नमस्कार। अगर आपको कुछ मिनट्स में बहुत कुछ सीखना है तो ये शॉर्ट क्लिप आपके लिए है। I've been to your show in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I strongly felt for the first 15 minutes कि जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे ये सब आपकी टीम के लोग हैं. It's all scripted. जो भी ये कर रहे हैं लोग
अब कमेंट्स में भी लोगों को सेम चीज लग रही है अभी.
हमें चाहे कितना भी कर लो अपने ऐसे को ये लाइक जेन्युइन एक्सप्रेशन कि ये कैसे किया.
काश मैं आपको बता पाता.
कुछ तो बता दो मुझे.
यार it's a mixture of psychology and magic. I'm trying to plant the thought in your head. If it goes right, incredible. If it doesn't, I have a magic trick to fall back onto.
नहीं but ये कैसे था. मतलब this was like crazy. मुझसे पूछा गया कि कोई सा भी एक नंबर, हाँ पॉडकास्ट ऑन है इस समय, राइट. इट इज रॉ कि कोई सा भी एक कार्ड चूज करो.
सोचो
राइट. कार्ड इन ये पूरा डेक इनकी पॉकेट में है एंड आई से कि 6 ऑफ स्पेड एंड मैं खोलते हैं एंड पहला जो कार्ड है मुझे उम्मीद थी कि मैं यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट आपको डॉज कर जाऊंगा कि लाइक कार्ड क्या रहे, तो कुछ मैजिक था ही नहीं.
हाँ
क्या करते हैं.
करेंगे. let's do a few more questions because if I keep doing this ये तो हम कल तक लगे रहेंगे and there'll be no stopping to this.
So you say that you can like read the mind. आपने कहा you planted a thought.
Yeah.
You just asked me a question कि कौन सा कार्ड है क्या है.
हाँ.
तो आपने कुछ प्लान तो किया ही नहीं मेरे अंदर.
So I will not try to. I mean, मैं समझाऊंगा नहीं कैसे हुआ. But if I say to people watching, which camera should I talk to? If I ask people at home to the first number that comes to mind between 1 and 10, all of you think of it and don't change your mind. I know for a fact 97% of the people watching this video will think of the number 7, and possibly if you would have thought of it also, you would have also thought of that. The reason that happens is because of a couple of things. Psychologically, if I ask someone to think of a number between 1 and 10. वो 5 लोगों को लगेगा 5 will be the most obvious one, but because it's right in the middle, people won't think that. For some reason, psychologically, even numbers seem more obvious than odd numbers. तो 6 या 4 कम लोग सोचेंगे. So 3 and 7 is what comes up the most. And just to make sure, if you rewatch this clip, I said think of a number between 1 and 10, and I do that. I'm literally pointing 7 fingers at the camera. And I do it so quickly that it just seems like me moving my hands. Your brain registers this without you realizing it. And then you end up thinking of 7. इसी को मैं अगर एक step आगे लेके जाऊँ and I say that think of a bright color in a warm suit and get a number in your head between 1 and 10. Most people, which is forming a playing card basically, so think of a bright color, get a warm suit in your mind and a number between 1 and 10. Most people will end up thinking of 7 of hearts at this point. Bright color automatically says red instead of black, and then I say warm suit and I literally point at my heart, which doesn't seem like much. And while talking, I also do this, which is literally making a heart in the air. So it just, the brain registers these things. So I did something similar to make you think of the 6 of spades. Not as exaggerated and obvious, but yeah, something similar.
Can you stop the podcast? Only was recording. मैंने क्या किया था अभी?
नहीं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
नहीं बताओगे. Great. So like psychology में आपने blend किया the probability of it कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं. ये जो insight से कहाँ से मिलती है?
कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं.
हाँ, क्या आपने ना कि अधिकतर लोग 3 या 7 को चूज करेंगे.
यार काफी सारी तो like just reading books on psychology and human behavior, उसी से मुझे काफी कुछ पता चला. And then a lot of it is real life practice also. Just going out there asking 30 people to think of something and trying to get like if one answer is coming up more often than the other.
Data set.
And then using that in a bigger audience and thinking, oh, maybe it is working. Here you can, if the psychology begins to fail, of course there are tricks to fall back onto. For example, if I say अगर 10 लोग ऑडियंस में बैठे हैं and I point to one and say, oh, you're a Libra. And because if I'm pointing in the audience, they don't know who exactly I'm pointing at. अगर मुझे पता है मैं गलत होने वाला हूँ तो I do that. For 10 लोगों के ग्रुप में if I do that, one person will nod.
Oh, yes. And
then I just get them to stand. And then I say, and we've never met before. And they say, no. And you are a Libra. And they say, yes. So to the audience, it looks like I've genuinely done it. But there is, of course, for some reason, this could be completely baseless, but this is just based on the shows that I've done. If I'm doing shows in North India, for some reason, a Libra and a Virgo is like something I get way too much. September and October born people, for some reason. August, September, October. For some, I don't know why that's happening. And I'm sure हो सकता है कुछ हो इसके पीछे, मे बी इट्स आई डोंट नो मीटिंग सीजन और समथिंग इन December or January or something like that, but it's just something that I've noticed happening in my shows, and I use that to my advantage. But if it fails, I fall back into this bit where I just point at a group of 10 people and I say, oh, you're a Libra or a Virgo or whatever comes to mind.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि you tried, you had a plan,
yeah,
that did not work out,
yeah,
उसमें क्या किया आपने?
यार हर शो में होता है तो. If the show that you also came for in Bombay, उसमें भी हुआ था, I'm sure, मुझे याद नहीं अब, but every single show there is something that will not go to plan.
But हमें feel नहीं होता है.
आपको कभी नहीं feel होगा. That's my job as a performer, to make sure that you feel that the show was seamless.
Seamless, yes.
कई बार अगर मैं प्रैक्टिस शोज करता हूँ जहाँ पे मैं पहले ही बोलता हूँ कि इसमें गलतियाँ होंगी, आपको आना है, आप आ सकते हो. आई डू अ वेरी स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, 15 लोग 20 लोगों का शो होगा वो, समटाइम 8-10 लोगों का भी शो करा है. कॉर्पोरेट्स अगर मैं शो कर रहा हूँ तो कॉर्पोरेट शो के बीच में कहीं पे मैं एक नया ट्रिक डाल दूंगा जस्ट टू सी कि कैसा हो रहा है. सो देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन इट फेल्स देयर, बट अगेन आई विल हैव समथिंग टू फॉल बैक ऑन टू मेक श्योर दैट आई कैन स्टिल डू इट.
अगर आपने इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखा तो आई एम श्योर आपने इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखा. पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए और ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें.